Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make slice and dice animated text in After Effects. Let's get started. First things first, take a composition. Keep the settings at 1920 by 1080 pixel. You can keep different settings too. And then you can choose a background for the text. Then, take a text which you want to cut or slice. Fix the alignment of text to middle. Now, you have to use the pen tool. Using it, select the upper half area of the text like this. Then, duplicate the text layer. Go to the mask settings of the duplicated layer, change the mask 1 mode to subtract. Now, select the both text layer and press P from your keyboard. You'll see Position option of the layers. Take a starting position keyframe at the beginning of the layers, and after around 1 second, set the ending keyframe. Now, at ending keyframe, move the text layer 1 and 2 positions as per your need like this. Then, set easy ease of the keyframes. Now select the Curve tool in the sequence timeline. And set the text layer's curve like this for smoothness. You can check the video, the text cut effect is applied. Now you have to add drop shadow effect in it for better and realistic effects. Search the drop shadow effect in the Effects and Presets tab. Drag the effect in the upper text layer. Now go to Drop Shadow Effect option. Change the value of distance at 45 and softness at 35. You can change the shadow direction also. Then, duplicate the drop shadow effect. Here, change the value of opacity, softness, etc., according to your text. Now, set keyframe at starting point of opacity of the both drop shadow effect from 0% to 100% in endpoints. Now, if you want to give a pause in the starting of the text, duplicate any text layer, remove the mask effects from it. Then select the previous text layers and drag those layers into 1 second later in the sequence like this. Now you can check the full project, if the text slice effect is perfectly working or not. That's it. That's how you do slice and dice animated text in After Effects smoothly. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.